Okay, Uncle Sonny, I'm here at the house. So this is the front door by the kitchen. And so here's the door, and on the side here, you can see this is cracked. So I think that needs to be replaced. And that's the main thing. I mean, I guess it's not that bad. So replace that. And then I think, so that's all with the door here. And then if we go over here, on the way going downstairs, this sliding door on this closet, I think, the sliders or, this, if we could just fix this door here so it actually slides and closes correctly, I need to probably fix that. And then the other thing is I just took the TV down here. This is a living room. That was the big TV. So I have the holes here where I drilled, and then probably down here there's another hole underneath the underneath this console here. There's a hole down there that needs to be patched. I'll just move that so you can see that there. And lastly is upstairs. In the master bedroom, I took the TV down here, and just I'll try to remove that, but need to patch this hole, and then there's a hole again down here. There's not much light in here, and that's it. So I'll see if there's paint. If there's not, I'll get some paint. And I really appreciate it, Uncle Sonny. Just let me know what you need, and we'll connect soon. Thanks so much. Bye.